Planet Tech.
If you've been hot rodding for a while, you've probably experienced blown header gaskets. It's a common problem. Standard fiber gaskets can't seal warped header flanges or imperfections in cylinder head surfaces, so they let go. To solve that problem, Mr. Gasket has these new metallic gaskets with embossed layers of dead soft aluminum that compress up to 50% to conform and seal uneven head and header surfaces. They are 125 thousandths thick and they won't shrink, deteriorate, or blow out. And they're reusable.